Our Louisville region facility spans 73,000 square feet and is equipped with advanced machinery designed to meet the needs of our contract manufacturing customers. As one of the largest cutting service providers in the Kentuckiana area, our Bystronic laser handles material up to 72 by 144 inches and can cut mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Included in our full-service production process is our MIG welding, robotic MIG welding, and resistance welding. This department is positioned in the heart of our main production facility, allowing for the efficient flow of materials for welding assembly. We offer the capacity and manpower to facilitate large production runs and medium-sized weld assemblies. We are proud to offer custom press brake forming services for large and medium-sized projects. With extensive capabilities across a wide range of materials, we can tackle any application. Our E-Coat painting system features an innovative offline racking process. Combined with our conventional racking methods, it allows us to efficiently coat high-volume orders, improving costs and turnaround times. Plus, we're the only full-service fabricator in the region manufacturing custom E-coating racks in-house. This gives us the advantage to increase coating efficiency and added capacity for our customers. Whether you need full-service steel fabrication or contract E-coating, our advantage is your advantage.